Turkey and Azerbaijan launch military drill. Trump okays advanced bomb parts built in Saudi. Report. Trump to host Qatari Amir at White House. Egypt's Brotherhood calls Sudan's TMC to cede power. Egypt police kills 8 militant after checkpoint attack. Syrian UN advisor warns of catastrophe in Syria's Idlib. US backpedals on F-35 training for Turkish pilots. US targets Iran's petrochemical industries with sanctions. Iran decries US sanctions on petrochemical industry. Germany FM mass to visit Iran for nuclear talks. Sudan arrests rebel spokesman in Khartoum. 91 million people fall ill due to unsafe food in Africa.